Good morning, my dear students. Good morning. Good morning, Elro. No voice. No voice. Morning, you people don't have breakfast. No. You all don't have breakfast. Light on, madam. On the lights. Very good morning, Uday, Charan, Navya, and Suvarna. ಓಹೋ ಇವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ? ಹಾ ಚರಣ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದೆ? ಗೋವಾ? ಯಾವನವನು ಗೋವಾ ಗೋವಾ ಅನ್ನೋನು? Where you had been, Charan? ಆ ತಿರುಪತಿನಾ? ಹುಷಾರಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಹುಷಾರಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಕೆಮ್ಮು. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದೈತಾ? ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗಿನ ಕೆಮ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಆ Where were you, Dushyant? Where were you? ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? Okay, shall we start with the class? Yes or no? My dear students, online students? Yes. Okay. Before that, let me ask few questions. Which color today? Which color today? After many days I'm choosing color. Huh? Green. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್? ಹಾಕೊಂಡವನೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾವನೆ. ಹಾ, don't get up, don't get up. Have I ever made you to get up in the class? Okay. Yeah. What will I ask? What will I ask? Kanaya, un question kelo avನಿಗೆ. ಹೂ ಕಣಯ್ಯ, ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ತಾನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಪೇಜ್ ತಿರ್ವಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪೇಜ್ ತಿರ್ವಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪೇಜ್ ತಿರ್ವಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಚರಣ್ ಡೋರ್ನ. ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ask one question to him. Likita, soon ask one question to him, no? Soon. Question. Okay, what are the different types of... Oh, bad, I have question. No, bad. No, take down. Okay, take down the next question. Sorry, no, next, not question. Next topic, that is functions in SQL. Take down the next topic as functions in SQL, or take down it as introduction to functions. Take it down as introduction to functions. Now tell me, what do you mean by functions? What do you mean by function? Ma'am, death function, marriage function, baby shower, this and all are not functions. What do you mean by functions? Yes, what do you mean by functions? Operation. Which operation? Heart operation, kidney operation. Which operation? Maximum operation, minimum operation, maximum how many legs I've cut, how many heads I've cut, how many open heart surgery I have done. Operations with data. Now, guys, in this functions, you have two types of functions. In this function, you have two types of function. The first type of function is called as... Is this visible? No? No. Wait. I know it's not visible. Yeah. The first type of function where you will come across it, that is called as single row function. Other one is called multi-row. Now, what do you mean by single row function, or what do you mean by multi-row function? What do you mean by single row function, or what do you mean by multi-row function? Single row consists of one row, multiple row consists of many rows. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ashtena. Yeah, what do you mean by single row function, or what do you mean by multi-row function? My dear students, I want an answer. Don't sit silently. ಶೋಕಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ? Yeah, tell me, what do you mean by single row function and what do you mean by multi-row function? Yes. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೇಂಜ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Take down the definition for single row function. Online students, what do you mean by single row function, or what do you mean by multi-row function? Sujay, ಯಾಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ? ಸುಜಯ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Yeah. Single row function are the functions. Single row functions are the functions which work on I'm sorry, Purushottam. Today by after this class I will upload it. Single row functions are such functions which work on single row and return one output per row. Single row functions are the functions which work on single row and return one output per row. Take down the definition for multi-row functions. Multi-row functions. These are the functions. These are such functions which work on single row or multiple row, which work on single row or multiple rows and return one result for the complete set of rows and return one result for the complete set of rows. Once again, multi-row functions are such functions which work on single row or multiple rows, which work on single rows or multiple rows and return one result for the complete set of rows. For the complete set of rows. Now, what is this single row? Understanding the definition. When I'm telling you people the query, then you will understand. Now, if I say also, you people will not understand. If I say also, you will understand. It will go like one way, okay, which I don't want. So take down. So what do you mean by single row functions? Now, in functions, I said you have two types. One is single row function and multi-row function. Single row, according to the definition, what is it saying? For one row, you will get one output. For one row, you will get one output. For multi-row function, either it will select single row or it will select multiple row, and for that complete set of rows, it will give only one output. Yes or no? That is what it is saying. Nidde bartidya? Okay. So now, so if you ask, ma'am, what are the different types of single row functions? You have something called as string functions. You have something called as string functions. Can you tell me what are the different types of string functions? In single row functions, first you have string functions. Then you have something called as flow control functions. Flow control functions. And you also have something called as date and time functions. Date and time functions. And you have the very last one, that is number functions. That is number functions. So what are the different types of single row functions? That is string functions, flow control functions, date and time functions, and number functions. Okay, clear? Now, can you tell me what are the different types of string functions? Can you tell me what are the different types of string functions? Apparu, yarapparu, yellapparu. Okay, in the first column, take down. In the first column, take down as string functions. String functions. So the different types of string functions are, the first one is upper. The first one is, one second. The first one is upper. Next one is lower. First one is upper. Next one is lower. Then you have something called as length. You have something called as reverse. Then you have something called as concat. Okay. Then you have something called as replace. replace. Then you have something called as substring. Then you have something called as, what is this INSTR? In string, okay. Then you have something called as trim. Then you have something called as LPAD. What do you mean by LPAD? RPAD means right pad. Then you have something called as left function. Then you have something called as right function. And the last one, you have something called as ASCII function. Clear? These are the different types of string functions. Okay, done? Yes or no? Now take down next column as, take down the next column. What is the next type of function? Single row function. Now take down as number function. Number function. Yay. Number function. Okay. In that number function, you have something called as mod, then round. What else you have? What else? Plumber. Yeah, what else you have? Then you have something called as truncate. How each of these works I will tell, but first copy this down. Truncate, then you have something called as power. Then you have something called as square root. Then you have, what is ABS? Anti-brake system Allah. And last one, you have something called as floor. And next one, you have something called as date and time function. Date and time function. And the last one, you have something called as flow control. Flow. Yeah, do you know what are the different types of date and time functions? One is you have date. Next one is time. Then you have, what is this SYS date? System date. Then what do you mean by local time? Local time. Next one, you have something called as now. Then you have something called as current date. Then you have something called as CUR date. Guys, write this, then you can talk. Then I'll give you the time to talk, you can talk. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇರು. Okay, done. You can't come inside. You have to peep there. Yusuf, where is Chandu? Why is not coming? Clear with this? No, mama. Done. Hey, hear on sound. You want me to dictate? Huh? Huh? From where you want me to dictate? From where? Online students done copying with this? Online students. Yes, others. See, online students are so fast. They've already completed writing. Done. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒದ್ದಾಚೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ರು. Where is I don't know what's his name. Where is Sharvanan? Don't know. Huh? What he said, ma? Shooting ah? Enna? Huh? ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? Done. Hey, shut up and see here. Okay. So in bold. So in functions, what are the two different types of functions? You have single row function and multi-row function. What do you mean by single row function? For each single row, you will get one output. One row, one output. Multiple rows function, you will get either it will select single row or multiple row, and it will select all those rows and it will give you one output. Yes or no? Now, in single row function, write comma ASCII. Yeah. Okay. Guys, now we will be only dealing with single row functions. Okay. The first one, in the single row functions, you have something called as string functions, flow control functions, date and time functions, and number functions. What and all are the different types? You have written it here. Sorry, I have written it here. Okay. Today we will see string functions. In that we will see till reverse. Okay. Till reverse we will see. Rest I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. Take down the next query. Sir. Yeah, Sarvanan, what happened? You're not coming to the class? Okay, shall I clear? Shall I clear? Yemra. Who is new admission? Huh? Where is he? You have to bring him up. Huh? Go. Suddenly I said something. He stand. I thought he'll hit me. Done. Yes. Okay. Take down the next heading as string functions. My dear shameless creatures. Take down the next heading as strings. ಏನ್ರೋ ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನ್ ದೇವ್ರ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ನನ್ಗ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಮಾಡ್ದವನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲಿ. ಇರಾವ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ್ಲೇ. I came. Oh, okay, Sharvanan. Which group are you people? Hey. ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉರು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೀರ ಹಂಗೆ? V2 offline ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. Where should I put? V2 online also I'll put. Then V1. I put everywhere, see. Okay. Done. Done. Take down the next heading as string functions. Take down the heading as string functions. Okay. Now, guys, in this string functions, first of all, you have to create one table called as hospital. You have to create a table called as hospital. Okay. So now tell me how to create the table. Where I kept the marker? Yeah. First of all, for these functions, we will be dealing with only one table. I will not make you people create more database or more table. We will be working with only one table, that is hospital table. Okay, clear? Yes. So what will we keep the database name as? Table name is hospitals. What is the database name? Don't tell me we stand for you hospital, please, for God's sake. Tell me some hospital name. Okay. Take down the database name as Apollo. Okay. ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಬದುಕೋತೀರಾ. Yeah. Tell how to create the database first. Boys, Ravi, tell. ಗಂಟ್ಲು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Okay. First you have to write something called as create database. Database is what? Fisha. Correct. Next what I have to do? Next one, I have to use the database. So I will be writing use Apollo. Okay, next what you have to write? Create table. What is the table name? The table name is hospital. Okay. So inside this hospital table, you are supposed to have hospital code. You are supposed to have something called as hospital HP code. Okay. Hospital code. Should I give it as int or number? Data type. Int. So let me give it as int, comma. Next one, you are supposed to have something called as hospital name. Hospital name, can I take it as varchar2? Shall I take it as varchar2? Why varchar2? Why varchar2? The length, you can enter multiple on mean. The size is more in varchar2. Yes or no? Can I keep it as 70? Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು 70 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Next one, you are supposed to have something called as hospital location. Hospital location. For this one also, can I take varchar2? Yes or no? So now I will take it as varchar2 and now let me take it as 100. That's all. That's all. Let me close this table. Yes, done till here. Now what I have to do? I have created the database, created the table, and what I have to do now? I have to insert the values inside the table. So what I have to write here? Insert into what? Insert into, I will write it as insert into hospital, and then what I have to write? Values. Okay. What values I have to enter? First one, I have to enter the hospital code. So now I will take it as 101, comma. What is next one? Hospital name. Can you tell me the hospital name? Nimansa. Spelling ಹೇಳು. Spelling ಹೇಳು. చెప్రా మావా. Okay, let me take it as Aster. Okay, hospital location is some shit. Hospital location. Tell the hospital location. I think you people only enter the values. Two people only enter the values. No. ಯಾವ ಹಳ್ಳಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ದ values into the hospital. Take 15 values. Take 15 values. Guys, single row functions you have lot. You have in that you have string functions, number function, date and time function. Okay, that is the reason. Take 15 values. Take 15 values. Everyone do it fast. Do it fast. Open your laptops. Open your laptops. Online students, are you people clear? Online students, are you people clear? Manyata Tech Park ante. Guys, create 15 values. I mean, insert 15 values into the table hospital. Okay, do it fast. Do it fast, then I will write the query. Easy. Where so where is that topic? Database you have created already. Table is what you have given. Capital H. Down or no? Guys, for hospital location, are you getting it? Why? You are getting error, no? Why? SQL, yeah. So you should get varchar. If you give varchar, for varchar, how much you are giving? Mm. Guys, in MySQL, you don't have varchar too. Use varchar for both. I thought at least when I'm writing, you people will tell me. People will never tell me. Expecting things from you is waste, utter waste. Database. Command prompt ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ SQL ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ತಾನೆ ಹಾ SQL ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಒಂದಿದ್ದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ತಂದೆ ಹಾ ದಿತೇಶ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ SQL ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ SQL ಕಮಾಂಡ್ SQL ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯ done ಲೇ ಆ ಹುಡ್ಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಏನ್ರೋ ದಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ for every hospital location don't give Bangalore Karnataka give different area names ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೆನಿಗೆನ ಹಳ್ಳಿನೋ ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿನೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಕೋ but don't use same location name for everything. Done. Shall I tell the first query? ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸುಹಾಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ ನಿನ್ನೆತ್ತು ಒಳಗ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ Just to copy paste. ರಕ್ಷಿತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ guys, for creating one value, how much time do you need here? Done. Online students done. Online students. New online students and offline students. Online students done creating the table. Fifteen values you have done, no? Do it with 15 values. Guys, fast. ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡು. ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಬೇರೆ, ನಗರ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀನ್ ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಉದ್ದು ಕೊಡು. Where is Nagendra? Why? Yeah. 5 प्रतिभा भी नेट हुई है. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? values. People don't listen to me, no? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡದೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. Where's your laptop? Huh? Why? Take down the first query. Take down the first query. I cannot wait, guys. 20 minutes you have taken for creating one table. Take down the first query. Write a query. Write a query to retrieve. Write a query. Write a query to retrieve. Guys, just a second. No, write a query to retrieve all the hospital names in uppercase. Write a query to retrieve all the hospital name in uppercase from hospital table. Write a query to retrieve all the hospital names in uppercase from the table hospitals. Now tell me, which function will you use? Obviously, we are see, I said you that in that single row function and multi-row function, you people will be dealing with only single row function. Yes or no? In single row function, you have 4 types of functions. One is string function, flow control function, number function, and date and time function. Now, for the question which I have given, they are saying that you have to get the hospital name. Yes or no? Till now, what and on query you have solved, either it is using by operators, symbolic operators, or comparison operators, or by using keywords as operators. Yes or no? Now, why string functions is required? Now, according to the query given, they are telling you to display the what? Display the hospital name. Hospital name is a string or what? It is a string. So that is the reason you will be using functions. In that functions, you will be using string functions. Now, they are telling that hospital name should be displayed in uppercase. How will you write the query for that? How will you write the query for that? Yes. Now, if you just write, 1 second. Now, what is the query they are saying? What is the query they are saying? Write a query to retrieve all the hospital names. To retrieve all the hospital names. So, if I write select hospital name, select hospital name from hospitals. Now, what will I get? If I write this query, what will I get? I will get the hospital name, yes. But however you have entered, I will get the hospital name. However you have entered, I will get the hospital name like that. But what is my query saying? I want it in uppercase. Yes or no? So what I have to do here? So nothing but I have to get the hospital name in uppercase, no? Yes or no? So now I will be using the first string function called as upper, and then inside the brackets, what I want to display? I want to display hospital. I want to display hospital name in uppercase from the hospital table. Clear? Clear? I am selecting the hospital name, and that hospital name should be displayed in uppercase. So I'm using the string function called as upper, and from which table? From the table called as hospital. Clear? Clear? Yes. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query or Ray, make your friend sit next to you. Papa, you're making him sit to that side. You are sitting like stupid there. Goma, sit next to him. Hey, Suhas, ikkada jarugro. Papa sitting there, he's seeing what I should do, what I should do. He'll make him feel comfortable. Comfortable doesn't mean sleeping, Yusuf. Okay. Hey, take down the next query. Write a query or how can you retrieve the hospital name? How can you retrieve the hospital name in uppercase How can you retrieve the hospital name in uppercase for a specific hospital? For a specific hospital having the code till, I think till 115 you have given the code, no? 115, yes. Having the hospital code 11111. Having the hospital code 111. So how should I write the query? What is the query saying? How can you retrieve the hospital name in uppercase? First of all, select hospital name in uppercase. That I had to select all the values, so I wrote from hospital table. Now there is a condition there. Yes or no? So what is the condition? If you have to represent any condition, which clause you will be using? You will be using the clause called as where. What is the condition given there? Hospital code is equals to 111. Yes or no? So how will you write? Where hospital, how will you write? Where hospital code is equals to 111. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? So what will happen? It will go to the table and it will fetch the hospital code wherever 111 is there. That complete row it will take. Will it take complete row? It will go to that complete row, but it will fetch only the hospital name, and that hospital name will be displayed in uppercase. Clear? Clear? Online students, clear? Yes, Darshan, correct. Online students, is this clear? Any doubts do you have? Anyone has any doubts? Divya, any doubts you have? Okay. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query to display the data. Write a query to display the data. Elephant. Write a query to display the data. Elephant. Take down. Elephant. A. Okay, remove elephant and write a query to display the data. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. Take down. I will tell you what it is. Take down. Write a query to display the data. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai in uppercase. Now, clearly see or watch that query. Obviously, I know that the data is not present in my table. I know it is not present in my table. Can I call it as raw data? They are just saying you have a name and you display it in uppercase. They are not telling that you have to select it from the table hospitals. Are they mentioning it there? So then how will you write the query for that? You will just write select upper. Which word you want to be selected? You will mention it in single quotes. Jhansi Rani A. Lakshmi Bai. Are they telling you have to select it from any table? No. Now, if you write this query, will I get this query or will I not get the query? Will I get the output or will I not get the output? I will get it. Yes or no? See, the first query which you wrote was only by using selection. Without restricting the number of rows. Yes or no? Second query which you wrote something called as projection by restricting the number of rows. Yes or no? Already people have forgotten selection and projection. Huh? No? Yes. The third one which you wrote is, they are telling that you have some word and you just have to use the string function as upper and you have to display the output. That's all. Are they telling you you have to select it from the table hospital? Or are they telling you you have to insert into the table hospital? No, nothing. I will get the output. I will get the output. Clear? Clear. Online students, clear? Yes? Yes or no? Guys, reply. If you don't reply, I will really not understand. Okay. Okay. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Provide a SQL query. Shut up and take down the question. Provide a SQL query to fetch hospital location. Provide a query to fetch hospital location. Hospital location in lowercase. Hospital location in lowercase from hospitals. In lowercase from hospitals. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Now, which function will you use? Lower, yes or no? Take down the next query. How can you retrieve the hospital name? How can you retrieve the hospital name in lowercase? How can you retrieve the hospital name in lowercase? Yema. Yema. How can you write through? How can you retrieve the... Hey, shut up. How can you retrieve the hospital name in lowercase for a specific hospital code? For a specific hospital code having 115. Hospital code is 115. And write the SQL query for the same. And write the SQL query for the same. Next question. Next question. Display the data. Display the data. V stand for you solutions. Display the data. V stand for you solutions. In lowercase. In lowercase. By writing the SQL query. By writing the SQL query. Just keep writing this. I will just come back. Yes. What was the next query? You all wrote, everyone wrote. Now, everyone wrote. Done? Done, huh? Done, huh? Okay. So you understood how to use this uppercase and lowercase. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now you also understood what do you mean by raw data. Yes or no? What do you mean by raw data? What is a raw data? Huh? Original data without any modification, that is called as raw data. Yes or no? So this was the example for raw data. Yes or no? Yes. Take down the next one. Take down the next one. Are you people solving HackerRank questions? No, I know you will never ever do in your life. Never. Take down the next one. Length and reverse function. Length and reverse function. Online students, are you people clear with this? You have any doubts? Kiran, Divya, Darshan. Okay. Take down the next one. Length and reverse function. Okay, chale. Write a query. Write a Suhas. Ray. Write a query. Write a query to calculate. Write a query to calculate the length of the hospital name. Write a query to calculate the length of the hospital name for each hospital. For each hospital. And display the output with the column name. Display the output with the column name. With the column name length. Name length means the column output you will get, no? The column name, by using column alias, I want to change it to something called as name length. Clear? Clear? Yes. Now tell me, how will you write the query for this one? They are telling you have to write a query to calculate the length of the hospital name for each hospital. Observe the query correctly. Observe the query correctly. What are they saying? What are they saying, everyone? They are telling you to write a query and calculate the length of the hospital name for each hospital. Yes or no? So first of all, you have to write select. For each hospital, you have to select. So can I write select hospital name, comma, length of hospital name. First, they are telling you to display the hospital length, but for each hospital. So only I'm writing first you select the hospital name. Then you have to get the hospital name length. Yes or no? So now here I will be using the next key string function called as length, and then what? Which length I want? I want it for hospital name. Yes or no? Yes or no? From which table? From which table? From the table called as hospital. From the table called as hospital. Clear? Then that's all clear, huh? Then they're also telling you that you have to change the output column to name length by using which alias? Table alias or column alias? Column alias. So can I write as? Yes or no? Huh? What I have to write there? Length hospital name, correct? Huh? So now I have to write as what? As name length, correct? Correct? Then what you have to do? From which table? From the table called as hospital. Clear? 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 Yes or no? Any doubts you have? Suhas? ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ತಿರ್ಗೋ ತಿರ್ಕೋ Okay, clear with this? Clear with this? Yes or no? Any doubts you have? Online students, any doubts? Any doubts? My dear students, any doubts you have? Guys, you people will be having doubt. Ma'am, why have you written hospital name twice? Why? This will show the hospital name and this will show the length of the hospital name. That is why I have written twice. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Take down the next query. Retrieve the hospitals. Retrieve hospitals. Retrieve hospital with hospital name. With hospital name. Length or lengths, L-E-N-S ala, L-E-N-G-T-H-S, lengths greater than 12 characters. Greater than 12 characters. How will you write now? How will you write now? So now how will you write for this? What is the query they are saying? You have to select all the table. Sorry, you have to select every data inside that. So select star. Select star. Next, what is the question they are saying? Retrieve the hospitals with hospital name length. Yes or no? So now select star from hospital. Select star from hospital. Now, what is the condition they are saying? If a condition is there, you will be using where clause. Now, what they are saying? Where hospital name should be greater than 12 characters. Yes or no? So, can I write it inside like this? What I have to write? What I have to write it as? See, if they had just said that hospital name, then you would have written where hospital name greater than 12 characters. Yes or no? But they are saying you have to get the length of the hospital name greater than 12 characters. Yes or no? So what I have to do here? I have to use the keyword as length of the hospital name greater than 12 characters. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Yes or no? Yes? Clear? Ma'am, remove. Yeah, yes, Sanjay. I removed. Guys, don't write it with single quotes. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Okay, take down the next query. Take down the next query. How can you retrieve the reversed hospital location How can you retrieve the reversed hospital location? How can you retrieve the reversed hospital location for a specific hospital? For a specific hospital. For a specific hospital with the hospital code. With the hospital code 101. With the hospital code 101. So now which function will you use? Which function will you use? Reverse, how will you write the query? Select, how will you write the query? Select reverse hospital location from hospital where hospital code is equals to 101. Correct? Yes. Take down the next query also. Take down the next query also. This query, the query which I'm giving now, it's a bit tricky, but just see the question and then you will get it. Okay, done. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display hospital code. Write a query to display hospital code and reversed hospital location and reversed hospital location where reversed hospital location contains the word. I don't know what location you have taken. You take one word. You take one word according to whatever table or location you have given. I don't know what location you have used. Take 4 letters. Take 4 letters in that. If you have given Bangalore, okay, you take B-A-N-G. Okay. If you have given Karnataka, K-A-R-N. Okay. Clear? Now tell me, by seeing that query, is there something extra in that? What is that? They are using something extra. Aren't they using pattern matching there? Are they using pattern matching there or they are not using? They are using. How will you write the query for that? How will you write the query for that? First of all, they are saying write a query to display the hospital code. What are they saying? First of all, you have to display the hospital code. And what should be reversed? What should be reversed? Then you will be using the function reverse, and you have to reverse a hospital name or hospital location. You have to reverse hospital location. Then what you have to do? From which table? From which table? From which table? From the table hospital. Next, what they are saying? Next, what they are saying? From the table hospital, where reversed hospital location, where reversed hospital location. They are saying where what? Reverse hospital location. Reverse hospital location. Now, they are saying it should contain some word there. So, you will use like operator there. Yes or no? So, can I say like? Like what? Like for an example, I will take modulus, B-A-N-G, modulus. See, I don't know at the starting, do I have characters or I don't have characters? I don't know. So I gave modulus. After that also, do I have the characters or I don't have the characters? I don't know. That is the reason I gave modulus again. Yes. Clear with this? Any doubts you have? Any doubts you have? Give a semicolon. Don't forget. Yes. Clear? Clear. My dear students, Kiran, any doubt? Darshan, Adesh, Naveen, Bhumika, Suvarna, Charan. Okay. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display length of reversed hospital name. Write a query to display the length of reversed hospital name from hospital table. From hospital table and display the output as reverse name length and display the output as reverse name length. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the length of reversed hospital name. The length of reversed hospital name from hospital table and display the output as reverse name length and display the output as reverse name length. So what and all they are using here? You have to display the length of reversed hospital name. Yes, you have to use the keyword as length. Put a brackets, then you have to say reversed hospital length from which table? Write the query for that. Repeat the query. Yes, Kiran. Write a query. Chat box write a query to display length of Kiran, I have put it in the chat box. You can see, ma. Okay, done. Solve this query in your laptops first. You're welcome. Online students, do you people have any doubts? Any doubts in the 4 types of string functions? So what and all you learned today in the string functions? You learned something called as length. First of all, you learned what is single row function and multi-row function. Guys, for a second, you go back to your first query. Go back to your first query in your laptops. Go back to your first query in your laptops. There, you are getting the hospital name. Yes or no? You are getting the hospital name in uppercase. For one row, one output you are getting. Again, for the second row, you are getting one more output. Third row, one more output. So only it is called as single row functions. Now definition and the query is matching. Yes or no? Clear with this? Clear with this? Any doubts you have? Any doubts you have? If you have any doubts, please do ask me now only. Otherwise, solve the rest query. Up here. So what and all you learned in string functions? Upper, lower, length and reverse. Clear with this? Clear with this? Tomorrow I'll complete with string functions and number functions also I may. Okay. Hey, yeah, tomorrow you people have what? What this? What do you have tomorrow? Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. What is tomorrow? I have already announced this in the class. If you say no, I will trash you people. You people have demo interview tomorrow. Yes or no? You have on front end aptitude. I have just to give, see, first round will be aptitude and screening round. Second round will be GD round, which I have already, haven't I announced this in the class? Yes or no? No, andre neen bandirlilla avattu. Okay, next one, third round, you will be having technical round. And fourth round, you will be having HR round. Okay. Same as however your interview is being done, it will be done in the same manner. And trust me, Ashok sir, Parshuram sir, me, everyone will be there. So, for God's sake, nan mana maryadi kalibedi. Okay? Kalitira nan mana maryadi, kalibeku anta idre kalkoldri. But I request you, please perform well. Okay? Aptitude 20, aptitude only 15 questions. And rest of, see, first round aptitude, you will have both MCQs on aptitude and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, clear? Only 5 questions I will give on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Rest 15 you will have aptitude. Rest 15 you will have aptitude. Okay, done. And then after that you will be having GD round, which either Ashok sir or Parshuram sir will be taking it. Okay, like pick and speak. Okay, or you will be having like some debate competition or something. Okay, done. After that, next round will be technical, which I will be taking. Okay, trust me, guys. If you don't answer, no, you people will see the second phase of mine, which you people have never ever seen. In these, I don't know, it's been 4 months me coming here. I have been very friendly with you people. I have never ever scolded you. Have I ever scolded you people? That is oofy. Simply I've scolded, but in reality, I have never scolded anyone. Don't make me or don't drag me to that situation. First, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, clear? Then you, and main thing, whoever is not attending this demo interview, ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರೋರು ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರೋರು ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, trust me, you people will be permanently blocked from placements. Blocked from placements, trust me. ಏನ್ ಗುಂಪಲ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, if you clear the first round, then only you will come to the second round. Second round, if you clear, then only you will come to the third round. Do it properly. Do it properly. Very, very most important thing, please dress formally. ಪೊರ್ಕಿಗಳ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒದ್ದಾಚೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇ ಓದಿತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ಬೇಡ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Online students, you people, I think you people have online mock or something.